Hi, my name is John with Greenlight Property Management. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. Today we are here at 424 Destin Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. Zip code is 76131. This is going to be a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here in Fort Worth. As you can see, this is a brand new build, brand new neighborhood and everything. They're still building some homes actually in the area within the vicinity. So you can see here, when we walk inside, it's going to be brand new. Everything you see updated out here with newer things like mulch. It's edged, some bushes, a new tree here, as you can see. Very nice garage door and a nice 2-car driveway. You could definitely fit at least 4 vehicles in this driveway. And then the garage is definitely a 2-car garage. Now, obviously, that's depending on the size of your vehicle and how much storage you actually have in the garage. So we'll take a look at the inside of the garage when we go inside and check it out here. So you'll see that this home has a very nice big front porch area here, as you can see. There's just a lot of area here, so you can really do a whole lot. You could even put like a bench and some decorations, some flowers. There's really a whole lot you can do with this space because of how big it is. So, and I'll turn this on around so we can see, like, from this way, it's nice and covered and everything like that. So let's turn on around. One thing to keep in mind about this home is we are keeping this padlock here, this electronic padlock, and it's actually going to be used for a whole smart home system. So once somebody moves in, we'll do the smart home system, and it hooks up with the Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to use everything with your phone and stuff like that. Obviously, you can still manually use this with your fingers. It'll just be easier on your phone. The property manager will be here to essentially walk through with the person installing them on how to do it. So with that out of the way, you can kind of see here as we walk in, very, very beautiful home. Obviously, it's new too, which is a bonus, right? But you can see beautiful tile floors here, really nice gray to contrast with that white trim and molding and stuff. You can see we have the 2-panel doors throughout the home. And here is our entry area. So those are actually going to be the front 2 bedrooms and hall bathroom. And you'll see here, we'll check this out towards the end of the video. That's actually the garage. So let me turn this on around here. As you can see, very big, spacious, open floor plan. A lot of these new homes are open like this. The reason for it is, 1, it looks bigger, right? 2, because the space is open, you can extend the dining room if you wanted to. You could extend the living room if you wanted to. You can not even have a dining room and have something here that flows with the living room. So there's so many things that you can do. As you can see here, we're here in the kitchen. We have some beautiful granite countertops, lots of cabinetry. I love this right here for all your cabinet needs, tucked and out of the way. You can see here, obviously, brand new appliances, stainless steel dishwasher. You can see the sink there, stainless steel. We do have a garbage disposal, stainless steel microwave and oven range there, glass top oven range. And then you can see here a nice big stainless steel refrigerator. Nice island too. Lots of outlets, which is always good, and they're all GFCI'd. You can see here we do have our pantry for the kitchen. It is kind of tucked away over here, which is nice. It's kind of out of the way. And while we're over here, I'm actually going to go ahead and show us the laundry room. You can see here we have the laundry room set up. This is also nice and tucked away, so you can close this door and pay it no mind. It's over here in the corner next to the kitchen and away from everything. So we also have another closet over here. This actually is for the entry. This is a coat closet, as you can kind of see here. I would say because of the distance it is from the door in the entry, It's not necessarily a coat closet, that's what it's supposed to be, but you could really use this for any storage because it really is a good amount of space in here. So moving on here, you can see, like I mentioned, we kind of have a dining area here. With these newer homes, like I said, it all flows together, right? Most of the time, you know, you have a dining room because the fixture hangs down real low and that's where the table sits. So that way it lights up the whole table. But in a lot of these newer homes, we have recessed light. It's just better, looks better, and is more modern. And so you can see here that this is a dining area, but it flows right into the living room. And you can see that separation from the carpet and the tile. So very, very big, spacious area here. Lots of good lighting in this home. And you can see just very spacious. The ceilings are vaulted just a tad, so it does, you know, make it feel even bigger in here. Let's go check out the master bedroom. This is definitely my favorite part about the house aside from the kitchen. This is a massive, massive room. Enough room in here to where you could put a bed and chairs and all sorts of stuff you could put in here just because of how big this room is. And the bathroom is very big as well. So you'll see really, really good size in here. You can do a whole lot in here. So let's go on into the bathroom. You'll see as soon as we walk in, this is kind of the setup here. We do have a private toilet area. There is not a door here, but it's really secluded in this corner. You can see we have some extra space for towels and stuff like that. One thing to mention, we are installing a door here. We just have not done it yet. So keep that in mind. There will be a door here, a shower door. Turning on around, we do have our nice vanity set up here. And you can see a nice little window here. It is a private window, so it's higher up and skinny, but it helps with the lighting here in the bathroom. And then here we have our master closet, nice walk-in closet, lots of room to hang stuff, set stuff on. Nice and carpeted too. So very, very nice here. So let's move on to the other bedrooms. We're gonna start at the very front of the house where the entry was. We're gonna consider this one bedroom number 4. So the one we were just in is bedroom number 1, or primary bedroom. This is gonna be bedroom number 2, as you can see here. This actually is a little bit bigger than average by a small amount, and you can see nice closet space there. Nice 2-inch blinds all throughout the home, and these windows bring in really, really good light. We'll check out that bathroom in a sec. Kind of same setup here, just flip side. And let's check out this hall bathroom. You'll see it's very spacious. I love in these newer homes, this isn't closed off. It's nice and open, so you can add aesthetic things to make this look good, you know. And it's extra space, right? So we have our vanity here, very similar in style and color to the vanity in the master. And you can see in here, this one has a tub in this hall bathroom. And that master was stand-in only. So let's go check out this last bedroom. So you can see here, very similar to the other ones. It doesn't have like that little, it doesn't have that little entry that comes like this, almost like a corridor. It just has your generic squared room, as you can see. And it's just the same size as the other one. So let's go check out the backyard. This is another cool feature about the home, and another cool feature about these newer homes is they know that people love covered patios. So you can see here, nice covered patio with recessed light, right? And it's about 5:30 right now. So you can see when the sun is on the down end, kind of where it's at on the patio here. So you'll see average size yard here, obviously brand new fencing all around, so nice privacy. And just a good size patio there for you to sit under, enjoy the weather, watch some thunderstorms. So again, we're here at 424 Destin Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. Zip code is 76131. This is going to be a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here in Fort Worth. Really close to everything. You're not too far from the north side of Fort Worth, right? So plenty of malls. A lot of the stuff over on this side of the Metroplex is actually being built new. So you have a lot of new restaurants, grocery stores, all those sort of things. Obviously newer homes, right? So be sure to take a look in the description. We have different links in there. One is directly to our website for leasing. You can look at other properties there, or you can go directly to this property and apply and also view for showing. So I hope y'all had a great day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.